Hi, my name is Chris Hart, a cartoonist, author of many books in cartooning, figure drawing, manga, all sorts of stuff. And today I want to show you what I think is a very helpful angle for drawing the leg. I've done a bunch of these and people seem to like them, so I'm going to give you this one as well. And start off, here's the body, this sort of the hips right here, the cradle of the hips. And we're just going to use a light line to just kind of give an idea of where we are here. We'll fill it out as we go. And we'll put kind of a triangular shape here for the heel and the bridge of the foot. I think this needs to go back a little bit. We're going to, make adjustments as we go. Okay, now watch this. We're going to show you a few things here. Here is the outside of the ankle. Here's the outside ankle rather than the inner ankle. From here to here is the same length as from here to here. So the bottom of the hips. So we can see that's about right. It doesn't have to be, exact unless you're doing, anatomical studies. But so now the front has a lot of muscle and goes out like this. Here's the knee. I'm going to show you the knee in a minute. This goes in, back out, right here, and then straight down. You notice that the calf muscle is only halfway up the bottom leg, not the whole way. You don't see it. It kind of peters out halfway down like this. So here's the knee. So we don't draw right from the top of the knee, we draw from the bottom of the knee, so the knee kind of protrudes. And it goes sort of straight, but kind of gently, gradually goes toward the foot right here. Okay, now here's the kind of cool stuff I want to show you. We emphasize the look of the knee, and we notice that it's on an angle. That's the way the knee goes. You notice over here, what's going on with this? How does that connect? Well, it goes into this knee area. This goes into the knee area, but the back connects this way with this little bit of tissue right here. That little pocket in the back of the knee, there you go. So if I can make it bigger for you and you can see it, it would look like this. This goes to here, this is this, and this is this. Now watch, I'll show you something else that's kind of cool. Just finish this up here. This is a really good measurement for you. The back of the calf is at the same length as the back of the heel. They're even. See? I can make this a little bit longer, or I can make this a little bit shorter. This should really even out. There we go. That's straight up and down. And this muscle will come out right here and define the knee. There's another bump below the knee right here. Well, I hope that was helpful to you. I enjoy doing this stuff. I think the human body has so many proportions, so much geometry. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. It's fun to figure out how to do it. And I hope this was a little bit of a help to you. Thanks, my friends, for watching. I always appreciate it. And I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.